Hello, my name is Solomon. Welcome to Trader Flexi. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel to know when I drop new content. Okay, let's start. In this video, we will discuss about the types of charts and indicators. What is trading chart? Charts are a computer customized graphic interface of price data that gives information on price movements. Types of charts: bar chart, Heikin Ashi chart, line chart, candlestick chart, the most used, etc. What are manual tools in trading? Manual tools are tools applied to chart in a formal way to analyze the chart. Fibonacci retracement tool, trend line tool, horizontal tool, rectangle tool, etc. What is an indicator in trading? Indicators are automated tools applied on our chart to make analyzing charts less time consuming. We have many types of indicators. Momentum or oscillators indicators, relevant strength index RSI, stochastic oscillator, volatility indicators, Bollinger Bands, average true range ATR, trend indicators, moving average, envelope, parabolic SAR, volumes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.